Hello and welcome to BBC Nature Mysteries. Today we're in the grand Swedish forest in the north of Sweden, and we're here to find out where there's been some few Bigfoot sightings. We're here to find out, are there a Bigfoot here, or as the Swedes say, storfart. Storfart. Hang along with me and we're going to meet our guide Göran Bergerskov. Come along. We're going to wade through the forest right over here to find the cottage that Göran calls home. Göran has been in the business of finding Bigfoots for more than 60 years. And he's only 65. Follow me and we're going to find him right now. And now we're finally here. Please welcome Göran Bergerskov.
Hello there.
Hello, Göran. So, tell us, what will we see today?
Yes, we're gonna try to find a Bigfoot today, and I've heard recently he's been around this area. So we're just gonna walk around, try if we can find the poop or something.
So you actually think we're going to see a Bigfoot today?
Yes, it's very possible. I have good reason to think we will find him today.
How exciting. Let's move along and see what we find.
Follow me.
Göran! Mr. Bergerskov, I think I found something.
Oh, very good job.
Oh, excellent job. This is a really fresh Bergerskov. I wonder if it's bear or Bigfoot. Very fresh poop. This seems like Bigfoot Bergerskov. Oh, very strong. It's fresh. It must be reindeer in this. We're very close. Come on.
After walking and running for several hours, I don't know how many, I've lost track of time. According to Göran, we have finally found what seems to be the dungeon.
Yes, finally after more than 30 years I have found Bigfoot. So now I'm gonna try to provoke it to come out, and maybe we can get some beautiful shots of the monster in the Swedish forest.
Sounds great, Göran. We will be watching on a safe distance.
Yes, I'm an expert here. I have a lot of experience, so I'm gonna have to ask you to back off a few meters.
Good luck, Göran.
Thank you. Okay, Bigfoot, it's time for you to come out for the camera. Come out, you bastard. Come out now. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. What?
Göran, are you
I've been killed. We must run home to England now.
It seems like Göran has died. Oh my god, I'm not about to die in the Swedish forest. I really need a cup of Earl Grey.